Ambalamb, your girl Ambalamb, is back. I am so happy to be doing vlog style videos. It has been a good while. I am so stoked for this. I haven't talked about, actually haven't made a video yet talking about what I do. Really, like, this has been a part of my life for some time. Probably not making any sense at the moment. In short, I am a part of a group called the Orange Collab. We're an entrepreneurial driven social media group. We support each other, lift each other up, give each other feedback, advice, kind of a soundboard, for lack of better words, for our social media game. Hey, so we're all working towards being our own business and being business leaders. And in that, it just helps to have another person or an army that understands the journey and the struggle. And that's why this group means so much to me. They're like my sisters. And today is a day that we get to open this up to other people and invite them into our world and be a soundboard for others who are trying to do the same thing as we are. So I'm gonna take you. It's exciting, it's great. It's a brunch. I'm excited because food. You're welcome for the clips that are to come. I don't know how much dialogue I'm going to showcase because it could be a session of people really opening up about insecurities, vulnerabilities, really being honest. So I'll show what I can, but if it's a bunch of B-roll, don't be upset. I'm just gonna find some cute music, come back and talk about it. So here we go.
Or whatever your social media presence may be. And again, just welcome, as Amber said.
And a lot of people, and I was, I don't know who I was listening to, but they were saying, you know, the bright white look is slowly fading out. Everybody wanted these bright white, pretty Instagram feeds, and that's slowly fading away because people are tired of it. It's the same, and it's been repurposed over and over and over.
Live in that standard and live and die and breathe and survive in the standard, because where the confidence can drop when you have to negotiate with people and you're not 100% there and ready to negotiate with them. If you can get it online, get it in black and white, just your goal, your whole goal and objective is to move direction.
5 years ago, I don't know. And so my word for 2019 is knowledge. And that's why I'm here, because now I actually get paid to do my sister's social media. And she has seen a growth in her business.
So we just finished the event and we had food, but it was brunch, so we need more food. So we're at Lazy Dog, about to get some grub, have our debrief, talk about it. We'll have a debrief. I'll let y'all in on what we discussed.
Things were these masterminds or like the team networks. Two of my networking friends are in the team network, and it's like it's a referral based business and they're all individual, like it's a working group, everyone's individual services or individual, like there's a realtor, there's a mortgage broker, there's a guy who works on cars, there's like they all do different things, and it's industry like industry specific, no, it's industry I'll watch it. I worked really hard on it. Oh, good. That's why I wasn't really like, share it with us. I know. This is my best moment. Share it with us. I know that I was paying more. I feel like I was close to 30. Plus housing. So I had, that was before. Housing was 9,000 on camera. What kind of soup is that?
Asparagus. It's like an upgrade from broccoli. That's good.
Reception, it could show you how amazing it, like, just like this.
There he goes. Really cute corn dogs. I know, like a beauty. I know.
long would you say that it takes you to edit a video? So say you're vlogging right now. How long would it take you at this point?
This kind of vlog that I'm doing, maybe 2 hours. Yeah.
If it took me 2 hours to edit.
Whoa! This feeling I have right now feels so good. Days like today remind me I'm doing the right thing. And I guess I say that because when you decide to put yourself out on social media, you're doing this thing a lot of times alone. And having a group of people to connect with and talk to about this makes it a real thing. Because sometimes we feel like we just put this content out and we're like, who's actually watching? Does it mean something to someone out there? And it does. It's a very real thing. You don't have to have thousands upon thousands of eyes watching you for this to be real. Audiences respect the micro-influencer more than the huge public figure, personality, celebrity, millions of followers, strong influencer. So a day like today, it's just so fulfilling. And I could not do this without the support of the Orange Collab. But I really need to express my love for this group of women. They have held me up when I'm in my lowest. I have been there alongside them through their obstacles. We're in it together. I'm gonna end today's part of the vlog now, and I will catch you later in the week. How goes it? Kind of an uneventful week, except for the fact I'm getting my life together. I've decided to Marie Kondo it up in this business, and I have dumped my closet. I'm kind of going anti to the book, what you're supposed to do. I've decided to empty the entire, I guess, closet stuff for the most part onto this floor. My sister is on FaceTime. Say hello, Amtat.
Hello.
She is going to help me because she is willing to take on the things that do not bring me happiness. I don't wear it. I don't give it enough love. It just kind of takes up space. What did you say? Hold on, I walked away.
It's less shopping I have to do if I just take it off of your hands.
Oh, see, sharing is caring. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, such a beautiful thing. Whatever, she don't need no discount. She can go shopping. Anyway, here's the progress if I had to report. This is what I've emptied. Most of the stuff that's hanging, I actually do wear, just kind of one by one. Like, I'm wearing my stuff, and if I notice I don't like it, it goes into the go away pile, which is right here. Look at this. Look at this situation right now. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. This is a combination of like clean clothes I've been wearing, but I don't put it back in the closet because I'm trying to actually empty the closet. You know, if you heard about Marie Kondo at this point, I hope you have if you're a part of the internet space. But if you haven't, you're supposed to take it all out, dump it on your bed, and be honest and authentic and ask yourself, does it bring you happiness? Do you actually wear it? Are you just holding on to it for sentimental value? If that's the case, you need to consider chucking it. And I'm ready to clean up my life. Excuse the ointment spots on my face. Your girl had some acne spots that hit her this week because, you know, hormones. You know, gotta love being a 20-something that's still going through teenage acne. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, will it stay? Probably not. Oh my God. Considering that my sister was on the phone, had to give her a chance to look at the items that I knew she'd either like or want, yay or nay. Took a little bit longer probably if I were just doing it alone. And here's the progress I've made. I still have a long way to go. Recognizing you have the problem is the first step to the solution. All right, let me show you what I got. Okay, from the top. So, pile in which to be determined if I actually will keep. This is my sister's pile. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna box that up for her. Trash pile. This is actually what I'm keeping. which I know seems like, oh, that's kind of a good chunk. This is what's going away. And there's still way more to go through. I've got to get through that somehow. Oh God. Oh God.